Why ginger and lemon work for fat burning. Let's be honest, we all want to feel lighter, more energized, and in control of our bodies. But most of us are overwhelmed by the flood of weight loss fads, quick fixes, and expensive products that promise results and deliver disappointment. Here's something refreshing. What if one of the most effective ways to support fat burning was already in your kitchen? Today, we're talking about the powerful combination of ginger and lemon, specifically in the form of a quick daily shot that can help fire up your metabolism, reduce cravings, and support digestion, all naturally. Let's start with ginger. Ginger isn't just for flavor or the occasional cup of tea when you're sick. It's packed with bioactive compounds like gingerols and shogols, which are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. But more importantly, when it comes to fat loss, ginger triggers a process called thermogenesis. Thermogenesis is your body's natural heat production. When you activate thermogenesis, your body burns more calories, even when you're at rest. It's like gently revving your internal engine in the background all day. The compounds in ginger stimulate this process, which may subtly increase your calorie burn over time. But that's not all. Ginger has also been shown to reduce appetite, improve digestion, and balance blood sugar, all of which are crucial for sustainable weight management. No crash diets, no starvation. Just smarter signals to your body that it's satisfied and fueled. Now, let's bring lemon into the picture. Lemon is often associated with detox drinks or vitamin C, and yes, it's great for your immune system, but it also plays a key role in supporting your liver, the body's detox and fat-burning powerhouse. A healthy liver helps break down fats, flush out toxins, and maintain hormonal balance, all of which are essential when you're trying to shed excess weight or reduce stubborn belly bloat. Lemon juice helps stimulate bile production and digestion, easing the load on your liver and optimizing its ability to metabolize fat efficiently. And when combined with ginger, that's when the magic happens. One boosts your metabolism, the other supports detox and digestion. Together they create a gentle, natural synergy that helps your body burn more efficiently, with fewer cravings and less inflammation holding you back. So why does this work so well as a shot? Because it's fast, concentrated, and gets right to the point. No fluff, no filler. You're giving your body a clean, targeted dose of nutrients the moment it wakes up. In the second part, we'll walk you through exactly how to make it, the best way to take it, and what kinds of results you might expect if you stay consistent. Let's move into that now. How to make ginger and lemon shots and what they can do for you. Now that we understand why ginger and lemon work so well together, let's talk about how to actually make this into a simple daily habit. The good news? It takes less than a minute. A little warm water to help it blend smoothly. Peel or scrub the ginger, then blend everything together. You can strain it if you prefer a smoother shot, or keep the pulp in for extra fiber and intensity. The best time to take it is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Why? Because that's when your digestive system is most ready to absorb nutrients and when your metabolism is waking up. You're priming your body to burn efficiently for the rest of the day. Now, what should you expect if you take this daily? After a few days, most people notice a gentle boost in energy, not jittery like caffeine, but more focused and clear. A reduction in bloating, especially in the midsection. Fewer sugar cravings, thanks to more balanced blood sugar levels. And over time, a more active metabolism that helps with weight loss when paired with good nutrition and movement. But let's be clear, this isn't a magic potion. It won't replace a healthy lifestyle, but it will support it in powerful ways. It helps your body do what it already knows how to do. Burn fat, digest food, and reset every morning, just a little more effectively. And beyond the physical benefits, there's something empowering about creating a daily ritual that signals, I'm taking care of myself. It's simple, it's affordable, it's natural. And it's something you can start tomorrow. No special equipment, no expensive ingredients, just a little ginger, lemon, and consistency. So, if you've been feeling stuck in your weight journey, or if you're just looking for a fresh start to your mornings, give this a try. One small habit, one tiny shot, one step closer to feeling better in your body, naturally.